what we teach here is how to Mālama. And I think it's important for a volunteer to go home with the understanding of kuleana, responsibility, and their place here on these islands is not just as a tourist, it's not just as someone who can enjoy an island life. I think that when you live here, it's your responsibility personally and collectively to take care of Hawaii.
A lot of our plants have inoa, have Hawaiian names, which we should be using. And the environment that we live in Hawaii also has names. The place you work in has a name. Ahupua'as, mokus all have an inoa.
Perfect! Perfect!
In Mālama Learning Center, we engage with a lot of school groups and people from the community. And what we really like to emphasize when we are working with these school groups is, of course, the importance of Mālama Aina, or the importance of restoring our natural resources, our native dryland forests. And we do that all through incorporating mo'olelo, incorporating stories, incorporating the names of the plants, especially their Hawaiian names. And we just incorporate all of these connections to Aina in our kupunas.